Hey, I just don't get it. Why is that when you become a teenager, everything is so confusing? I mean, what are they doing? Are they spiking on the makeup? Is there an unwritten rule that when you become a teenager, you ramp in insanity? If I remember correctly, whatever. I'm supposed to wash my face before I exercise to prevent breakouts. And I'm supposed to wash my face after I exercise to prevent break-ins. I'm not supposed to eat chocolate because I'm going to have pimples. And I'm supposed to eat chocolate because I take a test. It's good food of brain ions. I mean, wow. I'm supposed to eat foods which are rich in iron because they help me in my circularity. I'm not supposed to eat foods which are rich in iron because they don't. I'm not supposed to eat foods which are rich in iron because they do not help me to absorb the calcium that I really need. I mean, wow. If I can survive being a confused teenager, then I think I can survive pretty much anything. Let's get out of here. I'm hungry. Thank you.